Hey everyone, Casey here. I know it's been a while since I've done a video, but we're going to start getting back into the swing of things. I made an announcement on the Discord channel the other day, like 2 days ago, that I changed up some rooms, and mainly because I do more than crypto, so we're going to kind of incorporate some of the stuff I do. Like you can see here in the background, I do some reselling on eBay and Poshmark. Clothes, VCRs, lovely wife. She doesn't get sold on eBay and Poshmark, but you get the point. We're going to add some of that stuff in. Also kind of some of the random stuff that I'm working on. Like I do some 3D printing. I have one printer. One of my buddies has 4, I believe. So we do a lot of printing. Like earlier today I posted in the 3D printing section how bad one of my it's a garden hose nozzle, so help me water my make-believe garden because it's not really growing. So how bad it turned out, so I fixed some stuff on that. So just going to share some photos I've printed stuff out on, some settings if y'all are interested in 3D printing at all, and just kind of our hustle lifestyle. We've not had a traditional 9-to-5 job for, well, since 2008. So sometimes you go through rough patches and it is what it is, but I wouldn't give up the time with my family for a 9-to-5 job. So still have my beard. I know that's been asked a whole lot. It's still there, growing back. I'm working on my Santa Claus beard. So hope y'all are having a wonderful Monday, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye bye.